Hello guys and welcome back. So in this video, let's connect our user to Firebase. We create an account and then we log them in. So for that, let's come to our provider folder. We create a new .dat file. Let's name this as authentication provider. So let's create this class. This will extend the change notifier. Like that. So let's create some variables that we use here. So first of all, let's have a boolean. Of is loading. Let's initialize this to false. We can copy this and let's make another boolean of is successful, and then let's have a nullable string of our UID. Let's get another string of our phone number, and then let's get some getters for this. So here you say string get UID, which is going to return our UID. We can just copy this and paste it here. So this string can be nullable, then this also like that. And then let's get is successful, which will return our is successful on top here. So actually this is a phone number because that's a string. Let's also get some booleans. Let's copy that, paste it 2 more times. So this will be a bool. We'll say get is loading. This will also be a bool. Say get is successful, and then one will return is loading, the other one will return is successful. And then down here, let's initialize our Firebase packages. We get Firebase auth, Firebase auth, when we get let's Firebase auth, let's just continue Firebase auth. It's just Firebase auth dot instance. Why are we not getting our package? We can copy this and try to import our packages manually. Let's do Firebase auth, this one here. Then we can move all this. There we have our packages dot instance, and then final Firebase Firestore. Why aren't we getting our packages? Let's just go to pub.yaml file. Let's run pub.get one more time. Okay, and then let's go back to our authentication. Let's see, Firebase Firestore. Okay, there we have it now. Firebase Firestore. Let's do Firebase Firestore, and then Firebase Firestore.instance. Let's get another one. Firebase Storage. You have Firebase Storage. Firebase Storage.instance, like that. Then here, let's create a method of sign in user with phone. So let's create our method. We say void sign in with phone. Let's give this some required argument. First we need the context, and then we'll also need the phone number, which will be a string. And then let's also get our rounded button controller. Rounded let's see, rounded loading button controller. Let's format this a bit. Then we just say button controller. Like that. And then this method will be asynchronous. Here we can put into a try catch block, and then let's have a Firebase exception. On Firebase exception, we can catch the error. We can get the error here, and then here show error message to user. First of all, we need again to reset our button. Let's reset it, and then down here let's show our snack bar. So let's create that method quickly. Show snack bar. Let's give it some required arguments. Use context. It will also require a string, which will be our content. Let's go our scaffold messenger, and then load show snack bar. Then our snack bar is going to have let's move this down a bit. It's going to have a text widget. In the text we'll put our content, and then let's also align the text to the center. We say text let's come back, and it should be a comma. Text align. Then we say text align dot center. Then let's also give it some style, which comes from text style. We'll give it a font size 18, and then let's give it a white color, color.white. Then let's just format it a bit. We can add the const modifier here, then close it out, and then we put commas here, and then let's press Ctrl O and then format our code. So this is our snack bar. Down here, let's show our snack bar. Show snack bar like that. In the content, we have our error message. So the snack bar, will use it in some other screens. So let's just cut it from here, Ctrl X, and then let's create a new directory here. Let's name this as utility. And inside utility again, let's right click and then create a .dat file, which will be also utility. Let's import the material package, and then let's paste our snack bar there. We can close this one out. Here, let's just import it. Okay, so now in our try method, we can go to our browser, then come back to here, firebase.flutter.dev/doc/o/phone, which is exactly here on our phone auth. And then when you scroll down, you find this method of signing in with our phone number. So let's just copy this method and then minimize. Then here we can paste our method, and then here we have our Firebase auth.instance on top here. We can just use our Firebase auth.instance here, which is this one here. And then here we have our phone number that we are letting the user put. Not this one. You need this phone number that we are taking here. And then here on the verification completed, this let's change it. Let's add an asynchronous word here, and then here let's await Firebase auth.sign in with credential. Then we have our credential there. Then next on verification failed, here we can just throw an exception. Let's show this same error. And then here on code sent, here, which means it's successful. So let's assign our phone number on top there with our added phone number, not this one. Say phone number, this one. And then let's notify the changes. Then after that, let's notify our button that it is successful, like that. And then here, what we can do is we navigate now to the OTP screen. So let's say, since we want to show this success button to the user, so let's just delay a bit here. We can say future dot delay constant of duration. Let's just say like 1 second dot when completed. We are going to navigate the user. Navigator dot push. Then we say material page route. And here we have context. We are going to return our constants of OTP screen, like that. So once we signed in, we need to go to our OTP screen. Let's cross this one out. So once we signed in this method, we'll go to our OTP screen.